everything. So I'll be showing you in this video about the OnePlus mobiles. So without wasting time, let's get started. And in this video, we'll be seeing about the OnePlus. So OnePlus recently, which are going to release the OnePlus 70, OnePlus 70 Pro, and a brand new OnePlus TV. So in this video, I'll be talking about all these three, I'll be talking about all those things. The topic involved in this video, I'll be talking about the leak design, and I'll be talking about the leak design features and specifications. I'll be talking about the launch date and many more. So without wasting time, I'll be showing you. Come, let's get started. So the OnePlus 70. The OnePlus 70 mobile look like this. So I'll be talking about the specifications or how it looks. So but I cannot tell this the actual truth, but I'll be talking about. So first, at the right side of the mobile, you'll be seeing that power button. So this power button looks like this. This power button looks like this, and you can see that it's in a shape like this. And the mobile is a bit curved at the edges, and on the left side you'll be seeing the volume button here also. So you can see the mobile is like curved at the edges are a little bit curved, and you can see the mobile's back is a bit changed. So you can see the camera thing is like a round thing. This is OnePlus 70, so you can see the camera thing like it's round, and this is the overall view. You can see the camera thing there also. It's like triple camera. And these videos you can just see. I put the link in descriptions about all these videos or the sources which I took from. And now you can see about the full mobile, like the 360 view you can see, right? So you can see about this mobile, like it's really great. It have many features in this mobile, but I don't know what are them, but I can mention that they have many features. As you can see here, it's a notch screen mobile, and you'll be seeing about this thing. You can see the mobile just looks like this, the OnePlus 70. So this mobile have 6.5-inch display with water drop notch camera, and this mobile is three cameras, as I told. It have LED flashlight, and this mobile is 855 plus Snapdragon. So, and this mobile have 5G confirmed network. So the internet may be 5G and it may be more Mbps also. And this mobile have 12 GB RAM, 128 and 256 GB storage, and it have wireless charging too. This mobile can be expected as soon as possible. I don't know. So sorry for my bad English if I speak. I make some grammatical mistakes. Okay, so please take a look at this phone, and I'll be talking to you about OnePlus 70 Pro. Talking about the OnePlus 70 Pro, even this have pop-up camera. As you can see in this picture, this may be, I think so, this is the mobile. It looks like this, but I'm not sure that this is a confirmed, but it's a leaked image. So as you can see, this have a pop-up camera and a triple camera too in the back. So this mobile is really cool, and again you can see that the display, it's a bit larger at OnePlus 70 Pro as compared to OnePlus 7. And this camera, as I told, three cameras also. And I'll be showing another picture. This one, you can see that it looks like this. So the two cameras at top, one at down. So it have even that a black background blur for videos too. And as you can see, these images, it really looks awesome. So talking about the features of this mobile, you will be getting some great features of this mobile. So this mobile is really awesome and cool. Talking about this also launched like we cannot tell, but I can show you the picture. It have pop-up selfie camera, as I told already, and I hope this camera quality is good. It's again wireless charging, high-peak sensor, and 67, and you can see a great pop-up or wireless charging too. And this one will be 855 Snapdragon and 5G comfort for this mobile too. So as you can see, this mobile is really great than what we thought about OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7T. And talking about the OnePlus TV now. OnePlus TV, as you can see, I just took a screenshot of this page. Yeah, it was taken by me. It's OnePlus, those are India. So as you can see, this is OnePlus, those are India. So this mobile is expected, this TV is expected to launch on India only. As you can see, I'm showing some of the photos now of the TV. I'll show you. This have a QLED, that is QLED, more bigger, 55-inch TV. This 55-inch TV, I don't know how much big it will be, but it's big. Even the speakers are like home theater speakers. You get free speakers with this mobile. So this is expected to come out next month. I'm not sure. Okay, so you can see as the OnePlus TV, this surely, I'm not sure that it will come next month, 26 September. They have just told that 26 September, but I can't surely tell that this 26 September. So best of luck for this TV to reach. OnePlus has made a great challenge now in this. Okay, so I'm ending my video, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And this video may be a bit large and I have made some grammatical mistakes in this video. Don't take it seriously. And thanks for watching this full video by spending your time by watching this video. And we will finish the video after watching some clips. So don't forget to make sure you subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon on to get all instant updates and like the video, comment in our video. I expect I would get good views for this and good likes, good comments. So signing up is Santosh from Your Smart Tech. Do it unique.